How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Shall we begin the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System, taking place on 26th December at Hotel Crown. The candidate name is Sachin Juneja and the candidate number is C63230, and the examiner name is Ashwini Saini and examiner number is A9132.
Okay, sir.
I'll begin with the introductory part where I'll ask you some questions related to your life.
Okay, sir.
So firstly, tell me your full name.
Sir, my name is Sachin Juneja.
And how may I call you?
Sir, you can call me Sachin.
Sachin, can I see your ID?
Yes, sir. Here it is.
Okay, Sachin. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sachin, are you a student or you work?
Sir, I am a student. Now I am pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from Dayal Singh College, which is in Karnal.
Okay, Sachin, now I'll ask you some questions about history.
Okay, sir.
Did you enjoy studying history in your school?
Yes, sir. I enjoyed studying history, and in my 12th, I chose history. I chose arts because I love to read history, so that's why I can say I love history.
So, have you learnt any precious lesson from the past events or from history?
Yes, sir. There are a lot of lessons which I learnt in my past studies, like the lesson of Americans who are attacked on Japan. So these are the chapter which I learned in history.
So, which historical personality do you really admire?
Yes, sir. There are a lot of person which I admired, but I admired with Genghis Khan. He is a Muslim king, and he was from Rajasthan.
And why do you admire him?
Because he was a very good person. He was always take care of their nation. That's why I loved him.
Do you feel good about the history of your country?
Yes, sir. I feel good because the history play a very crucial role in my country. Because that's why I can say.
Which one fact of history do you dislike?
Sir, there are a lot of factors which I like, which I dislike, but the factor of learning the dates I find most difficult because it is very confusing to learn the old dates.
Okay, now I'll ask you some questions about your time management.
Okay, sir.
Do you consider yourself a good time manager?
No, sir, I don't, because nowadays I have very hectic schedule. So due to this, I don't able to manage my time. So yes, I can say I am not.
Where and how do you spend most of your time?
Well, sir, I most of the spend my time on my studies and on my smartphone.
Do you face any problem in time management?
Yes, sir. There are so many problems which I faced in my time management, because as you said, I have a very hectic schedule. I don't manage time for my other activities such as cricket and my other habits. So that's why.
What are some activities that waste your time?
Well, sir, there are a lot of activities which are wasting my time, but the first one is I using smartphone, but if I using smartphone frequently, and I think this is waste my time. This is waste my time.
Now I'll ask you some questions about responsibility.
Okay.
Do you consider yourself a responsible person?
Yes, sir, I consider myself as a responsible person because in my family I am a single boy, so there are a lot of responsibility on my shoulders. So I can say I consider myself as a responsible person.
What are your main responsibilities now?
Well, sir, now my main responsibility is to clear IELTS because my mom spent too much money on me, so that's why this is my first goal and my big responsibility to clear IELTS exam.
What are some of your current duties that you find more challenging?
Well, sir, there are a lot of duties which I find most difficult, but the most difficult duty I find cooking, because nowadays my mom have a very hectic schedule. So due to this, they don't able to sometime cook food for me. So on that time, I find cook food is more difficult duty.
Who is the most responsible person in your family and why?
So in my family, the most responsible person is my mother, because when I was 14 years old, my father passed away. So what are the responsibility had on my father? So but now the responsibility on my mother. So I can say my mother is the most responsible person in my family.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Let's move to part 2. It's a cue card. You can make notes for 1 minute. Then you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe a situation when you helped someone. When it happened, who you helped, how you helped, explain how he or she reacted. Okay, Sachin, speak up.
Well, sir, I always help everyone because I think it's a very good thing to help someone. But now I would like to talk about a help which I gave someone, and this help I gave to my best friend, and his name is Nimish, and he's belong to middle class family, and he's a sports person. But and he won so many medal for our school and our classes as well, on our society as well. But belongs to middle class family. He was not able to buy new shoes because he had don't money. He did not have money on that time. So and he told me that thing, Sachin, I did not have money, but I do. So on that time, I told to my mother, Mom, Nimish needed help. Could I help him? So she said, yes, you can. And on that time, I bought shoes for him on an online site, and I gave him the shoes, and he was very happy on that time because these shoes help him so much.
Okay. Let's move on to part 3, which is follow-up section. Do people help others more now compared to past?
No, sir, I don't think so. It's true because in past people used to help everyone, but now people are becoming selfish day to day. So nowadays people are not helping to others in every situation.
Why do you think it is happening that people are reluctant to help others now?
As you said, sir, people are becoming selfish nowadays, and they don't want to help someone because also someone have ego problem. So that's why they don't help to someone.
What are some of the situations in life when people need help?
Well, sir, there are a lot of situations when people need help, but I think the most common situation is financial help, because everybody face nowadays financial help. So on that time they need financial help. So I can say the financial help is very necessary, most common help.
What role parents can play in developing generosity among children in early years of life?
Well, sir, there are a lot of abilities which can parents generate in their children, such as they should teach us good thing, like how to help someone. Like when someone face problem, you can give him help. So these are the help should parent give them.
Should there be any reward system to encourage people to help other people in problems?
Yes, sir. I think it should be, because this human tendency. If people if they need reward in the help of, so they will be encouraged on that time, and because of reward they help other.
Okay, Sachin, this is the end of your speaking test. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.